I'm Anthony Lozama. I currently wear a couple of different hats. The two main ones, Christian alluded to one, where I am currently the chair of the NIH study section for drug design and molecular pharmacology. And so in that role, I lead all of the discussion and grant scoring for everything that is submitted within our study section. And it's pretty broad. So we get drug design and development, we imaging all across different therapeutic modalities. Most of it is from academics looking to either fund their own research grants or to start up a company. We do have a growing number of SBIRs that are coming in, or SBIR style type of grants that are coming in. And so I've been able to see a lot of different proposals, ideas, structures, funding asks, et cetera, through that, guys, for folks looking for funding from a federal government standpoint. The main job that I am been at for about 6 years now is with Novartis Pharmaceuticals. So I'm currently the U.S. Medical Director for cardiovascular disease, and my remit has shifted from bringing things from an early stage development standpoint, where I was focused on a variety of different therapeutic areas, to now focused on a late stage asset in cardiovascular disease and trying to bring that to bear from this phase 3 and going into launch. And so a lot of my day-to-day activities are mundane in the sense of clinical trial management and evidence generation, but I am focused on a lot of collaboration, and we do a lot of innovative type of partnerships, both with public and private entities. And I actually oversee a variety of different initiatives that we have with professional societies, private entities, both on the research side and then more on the diluted funding side, where Novartis is the sponsor or funder, so to speak, and company X, Y, or Z is fulfilling a task or need that they have, but that we also have. So that's been a lot of fun. As Christian alluded to, it does keep me on a plane quite a bit. So I'm very familiar with the MSP airport and accumulating Delta miles that I'm able to transfer to family, which is always a good thing. But at the end of the day, my real passion lies in helping translational science get across the finish line and really identifying strategic partnership and collaboration between entities that might not normally be the typical bedfellows, but have a common interest in place. And then we're able to proceed forward in these collaborations and partnerships to really bring value, not just for my organization and theirs, but then patients at large.
Anthony, you're doing amazing things at Novartis. I know that some of the names are NBA, NFL, different partnerships that are big.
We've been fortunate, yes.
Connecting, I think, with the street, so to speak. And I think you talk a lot about your ability to get out and hear what the docs are talking about and what the patients need. And you make that connection for Novartis and really take a KOL approach. I think that it's interesting to hear how you see early stage companies driving value and how that's translated to funding. So, hey, Anthony is really a star in the bullpen here and a great resource. He's done so much. Connect with him on LinkedIn. Go check out his background. If you have some sort of strategic partnership, reach out to him. I promise you won't be disappointed with your connection. So, Anthony, one last thing. Anything you need that we can do for you in the bullpen?
Yeah, I was going to kindly ask for the favor if I could actually make an ask. And so you alluded to reaching out to the street. So I'm very, very interested to hear from anyone that may be interested in partnership that has an early or mid-stage company that is really focused on things such as genetic and genomic evaluation or anything involving imaging when it comes to patients. These are high areas of interest for us, and there's some opportunities to partner up and potentially to have some resources be made available to help drive things on their company side, but then also answer some questions for us. And so if that is up anybody's alley, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to connect and talk more. So again, Christian, thank you for the opportunity, and thank you all for allowing me to come in and chat a little bit.